Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a birdhouse, so let's get to it. Let me just move the camera. So as you can tell, I've already made this is one and this is two walls. So let me make the other two walls. So basically all you're going to need, are these. They're like popsicle sticks, you could say. So you're gonna take one, you're gonna put glue on it. You can take any color, any design you want. You're gonna put glue on it, just like I did. You can use clear glue, you can use Elmer's glue, clear glue, like I am. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put another color if you want, and then you just put it on top of it, and you just keep going. So I'm gonna do that for, let's say 10 minutes, and I'll be back with you in 10 minutes. Just 1 second. I'm gonna, my camera actually doesn't really have that, it doesn't have time lapse, so I'm gonna try to hurry up right now because I really don't want to keep you guys waiting. And on the next vlog, I'm going to be showing you how I do the roof and how I connect all of the parts. I'm just going to finish with this wall, and I'm going to do the rest in my next video. I'm sorry if you hear somebody screaming in the background. I'm so scary. I'm gonna try to edit that out, but for now I'm gonna continue with this because okay, well, this one's actually kind of falling apart, literally. Oh no. Okay, so you're basically going to want to do, oh my gosh, why is it fall? You know what, I'm just going to leave it there, lying down. I don't really care anymore. And I'm going to make this wall as tall as that wall. I love doing art, I love doing art and crafts, so you guys might see me doing a lot of these kind of videos. My sister's channel is called Maka Mushev or Maka TV, and you can just find her, and you will love her videos because she does hair tutorials. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by her, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. And I'm doing a giveaway for an iPhone. I'm doing a giveaway for an iPhone, and click the description down below to if you want it, and you will see if you can get it. And I am almost done. Oh gosh, I need to open another one. Guys, I got this from the 99-cent store, so you should probably too, because I'm pretty sure the 99-cent store is really, really close. Okay. And that's what I'm going to be doing. In all of my vlogs, I'm going to be doing arts and crafts. I might even be painting in one of them. I don't know, but it's going to be amazing. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like this video and give me some hearts, thumbs up, and I am going to be so happy. So I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!